Hello everyone, welcome to Karar Academy. Today we are going to learn how to write a speech on Independence Day. First, first we will write the speech together and I will show you how to deliver it. Okay? So are you ready? Let's begin now. First, good good morning. Good morning. Good morning, respected good morning respected principal sir, teachers, 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 comma, parents, parents, comma, and my dear students. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students. The nation, the nation is cele- cel sorry celebrati celebrating independence independent independence independence day day today and this year and this year we are celebrating 18th years of independence independence so 18th year of independence from the British British subscribe Karar Academy British rule independence from the British rule and it's me ABC it's me Karar Ahmed ABC you write your name ABC it's me standing ABC standing standing in front in front of you in front of you standing in front of you it is very auspicious day for the all Indian who who will get an yeah who will get an opportunity you write in your notebook and pronounce yes after me okay who will get an opportunity to pay homage to all the freedom fighters auspicious day for the Indians who will auspicious day for the Indians for the all Indians who will get an opportunity to pay homage to all the freedom fighters who gave their lives for this country independent who gave who gave the, their lives for the countries countries independence, 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 independence. Okay, continue. This KHIS, this day reminds, this day remind us their THEIR, their immense IMMENSE, immense contribution, CONTRI, immense contribution. This reminds of their immense contribution to the freedom struggle, struggle of India. This day reminds of their immense contribution to the freedom struggle of India. Dear student, dear students, do you, okay, I changed my marker because dear student, do you now that why this day holds a special place? Dear student, do you know that why this day holds a special place in the heart of all Indians? All Indians. A special place in the hearts of all Indians. India was under the British for almost 200 years. 100 years, ठीक है. They looted and harmed, HARMED, harmed. When you didn't understand what I write, so please you on C double C caption, okay, then after you write on the through subtitle. Is that clear? And harmed the citizen, they looted and harmed the citizen of our COUNTRY country. The nation citizen, the nation citizens, the nation citizen, the nation's citizen decided to raise their voice against AGAINST, against the British, BRITISH, British rule. On this occasion, OCCASIO, occasion, our thoughts, THOUGHTS, our thoughts turn, TURN, turn first to the Mahatma, Mahatma. Mahatma Gandhi, Gandhi. Uh, on this occasion, our thoughts turn first to the Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind behind the man behind our struggle for freedom and the martyrs, Martyrs, and the martyrs behind behind our struggle for freedom and the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country. Yes, countries. Liberty. Our country liberty. For our country liberty. Liberties. Liberty. Let's we recall the great great sacrifices of ASHFAQULL Ashfaqullah Khan, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, 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 Rajguru, and other daring freedom fighters on this special special day for their unforgettable contribution to India's independence. India's independence. It is important to know. It is important to know that an Indian soldier, Mangal Pandey, in the British force first raised his their voice against the British rule. Against the British rule. This day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment This day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian establishment of free and independent Indian nation. India nation. This day marked the end of British rule in 1947, the establishment of free and independent Indian nation. We are, we are, we are lucky to have been, we are lucky to have been given a land peace and happiness. 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 Happy. HAPP. Happiness by our forefathers. We are lucky to have been given a land peace and happiness by our forefathers, where we can sleep all night without fear and enjoy the whole day at a school or home. Let us let us let us salute today. Let us salute today. PEOPLE. Let us salute today people who fought who fought for the independence of the country. Independence. INDEPEND. Later today people who fought for the independence of the country. Later today people who fought for the independence of the country and dedicate our dedicate ourselves to the service of this great nation. लास्ट में and here I and thank you to all. Thank you to all. It is our national flag. It is our national flag. Okay, so we'll learn and then after I speak. Okay, if you watch full this video, please subscribe Karar Academy and follow Karar Academy Insta. Okay, thank you to all of you.